muti Mahama tirimu asempa meme ye Ghana mampani a te yakochi obi
Bemia no
say ye bibi and
wo be investigations keke
wo be boss e wo ho say ye njai no chiten kam ho MPP for say Rambo style na nye o court ye ma me bail ya sign bail na wie e go fe kuta me muku a ama national security ni ka kire me say bail na court ne de ma me no wo mo ntiase na akufo ado no e boss man na say no e bia so nye nipa o ye president
no kwa America.
President has called for reduction of prices of goods and services. Ebinum ayo mo de ebinum su gusu yo mo de and we pray say obi a betimi atete ne de so na afi yetimi enya a better Ghana. Secondly, you hear the famous Chema Wontumi asisi a yamantam no ewo EOCO for asoye, but as we speak now there oda Arreste because you send home fan. Obeka ya oni mention anya asem aisoko yi ne ho ano. O yare and then so ya chi no. Asanso yare. Well, so people assume say a fake yare, but whichever way it is, a yare, let's give him that benefit of the doubt. Na fe you hear the way we see edi komo edi afaha. There are a lot of issues that are crying for attention. There were yema had say they be di hun komo. Now and joining me in the studio from my extreme left, Miaminia, is it Sakara or Sakra?
Abdullah Sakra Al-Hassan.
Abdullah Sakra. Oh, didn't know that there be on board Sakara. Abdullah Sakra. Oh yeah, one of the leading members of the NDC. In fact, na kami kind of videos by America. Who said painful be Coco TV so the radio so on the matter time no on the teacher. Woko ha. Hey. It's the other Niger. And then on the Babidin Komo. And of course, one of the leading members of the NDC communication team members in the Ashanti region and of course national. Miami Nia Joshua Kwame Fuga Sisia Okwakoye manager ewo Voter Lake Transport. Oh kwakoye mankasa wo ye manager o. Oh kwakoye manager. There's a guy there one. On can't tell me but me the ever so. Voter Lake Transport or kwakoye manager ewo ho. Tibedi hun komo briefly na fe yet me ahwe nema ekoso ho no mo. Enti mamu ina akwaba Sakra.
Yeah,
Joe ma akwaba. Kumasi boko there.
Kumasi boko and then senior we senior Kumasi Ashanti region moto maba. Emma is Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Our buy watete nyoma so na wo hwe senior petrol bon akofoma enne Ashanti region fu ni na dia dance say aban papa eden aba yo ya no pay me fi Kumasi be there ma me fa nchie mu edene emma eye Ashanti region fu ni na etitu the regional minister Miami Dr. Makohene baby wa wo hwe djuma amwakon na ebo na esefata abrante ne bonabaso. This is a very young man. Na when he dey bian say a demonstrate e kire biye bibi. O hwe the former Ashanti regional minister papa no and the MPP. Na o hwe mfia na wedi. Na o hwe eye Dr. Makohene. Na o hwe ono sunsun mfia wedi. E kire say the Ghanaian youth no emredo wo say ye no we take the reins of this government.
Sure.
And Untina is Excellency John Dramani Mahama Aban. He has given a lot of opportunities to ye mebuno. And ye catch the Ghana for Nina say opportunity His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Diama Ezuno. Ye nim say ye ndi Ghana for him because it is a time I was say ye demonstrate say the mind share the youth. And sir, JBUT as a youth.
Yeah.
Ye youth, Sakra ye youth. One of more background in our youth. And the end of mine, I was a demonstration a bit me go mine. And the JB and pay there. My mentia, I have four. My five check as yes, so much Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Okay. JB, Osha, Ghana phone will say, Papa, your buy, say, the confidence in the economy, no, and once I pay. Papa, baby, will be a onana fuga, Michelle.
All right, so we're an introduction on the say how. An introduction. Sakra, but let me also send a quick reminder. Dr. Frank Abuakohene, Oya Ashanti Regional Minister, was also a medical doctor. Also in case we hear doctor but that coffee won't be on. It may be out to me that we are so here doctor. Dr. Frank Abwakwende. Why? So those of you who will share live on TV, so the post and there was no. Your friend Dr. Frank Abwakwende. I say who to be say in case so here doctor on your horrible chair. Why? Nah. Wow, this is democracy. Zaka yenim komo yenhwe the dollar CD rate appreciation and yenhwe the price reduction of goods and services and why there is series of confusion in the system when it comes to transport fare. How do one CD meets ne passenger kuntokwa gidi basa. And it's all over. It is becoming very disturbing. A dear na buying no contribution ben na buying yet to ensuring say yatete near masono your dollar CD appreciation no etimi akofom kakra no and niema bo so betimi akofom that me appreciate the current economic situation.
Yeah, me that say I think say it's a bit channel ya share with you for so as well. Now any GSM me bra penya kasa any GSM say Ghana for ye can say ye call election ye can say nema bo ayedin to the extent say ne ye catch am for me can say me dey nema ba here na me catch you say nema no bo ayedin na obi say enya ade a aban bi be ba ye betimi ate nema so na e be gina ho ana say be ko na me che nipa ko say me say e aban boni any management of the economy bad economy no eno na ama the increase no e cost so no. But if you get a good governance now you be obetima I share yesika asem yie we will see reduction and truly ene omo mo hina de me bo beba me na me say me nka bibia
when the boy by
me boni
Saka
me boni say obi o ho ya ekodwoma sa de we me ba ha na 180 cedis 180 Ghana cedis
that be as at when
as at June last year.
Okay.
Ne 180 cedis. Over to back play o tape no back. And ne adewe 100 Ghana cedis.
Just what 80
cedis. Yeah. When you compare dollar na 17 cedis. Na 9 cedis 90 pesos or 10 cedis. Let's say 10 cedis are. And no child say and ni boy bra. Yeah. That is what we want to see.
100
Ghana cedis.
Eh ni mako.
Me dey obeti me say me dey ni na video ni na e ma o producer say on call.
What on way?
O say it's on Nima market.
O be ya.
Yes, me be ya na me toy.
Aban papa ba.
Na o say free wa o ko national service for officer. 80 Ghana cedis.
Yeah, national service for them ya.
80 Ghana cedis. Yeah. Now the address no and 100 Ghana cedis. That is the impact. Any
way akoko premature akoko.
No, it's not premature. No way. This is it. See. Live bed. This is it. By papa, you say to be born quite. Papa, first now go to Akofun, but right now you have money to buy live bed. This is what John Dramani Mahama has done. Any Abafi any John Dramani Mahama. They say almost say husband and wife, chop money bill. First, almost discuss fear, almost even touch. Right now, everything has changed. And you know, wait. Na ye kotwa just last year June July honum na 28 cities 27 cities and na adewe awukwe 18 cities. That is what ask our mothers out there be phone line catch them. This is it 18 Ghana cities. 5 kilo first na 5 kilo na na do adawo manti omote so is na 5 kilo bi o koka 4 kilo. And when I buy here, minty be there say if be shrinkflation. No, not do not buy. Shrinkflation. Maybe any chance say I don't know your tone. And now say you say be 2 munti. Yate and you know so it's not every 5 liters. Every 5 liters about 4
kilos.
4 kilo every 5 kilo about 4. That is what was happening. Okay. 4.25. About 20 years, only 25. That is the issue that was going on. And then I we are 70 cents Ghana cedis from 120 cedis to 70 cents Ghana cedis.
Where say
70 cents Ghana cedis. And I'm tell yourself now moving forward, no, you will see more of this. What's the Nima market?
It's never will be by that.
My forwarding all the videos to your producers. On bet me shop or no one can live video. That is it.
Okay, so for the benefits of clarity, you assume a reporter or co-host.
I don't have a problem.
Just to give us a better.
I send your videos.
Let me say what videos. Oh, yeah, this is new videos here to be in June.
And yeah, NDC assembly can
but
me a guy
it's here, assume a reporter.
And can NDC buy and can 180 cities and 200 and can I'm very fair. Last year I said I'm a kind. This year I said I'm a kind.
It's yes, I'm training a coho.
It's me and $1 no, and $1 no depreciation and appreciation. Me a brofo that brofo ne chum. Nobody brofo that die. The only person who say your living standard no I improve. And what are the indications? These are the indications. Market is the indication.
Market 100.
Yes.
And
national security for national security. Let me say like national service for office in me. 80 cedis.
More friend for saying don't call numbers and mammy.
But I'm to my and then 80 cedis. And I do my dressing 100 cedis. I better do my dressing 220 cedis. And then 100 cedis. If it's a life one, 80 cedis. That is better Ghana agenda. The proper president that we voted for. The person who and yet Omampin Obaba, Yahumba Chile, Ama Yentimi, my uncle school, chop money so Yentimi ma. Husband and wife fight over chop money just because Oko marketer and so everything is increasing. And then I see Ghana for Obia dream say Yentini Masu, and the miracle benesi. What to say Yentini Masu the ex government or ex administration that? If you see that.
Oh, 2017, someone to say.
How much in your benso?
2017.
2017, Urefi.
Nede.
How much in your benso?
Oh, no, 2017.
And then, question, and never
transport fare crap.
Oh, he. But you just prove to me. I'll get
okay.
So what I say, everything is improving. That is what, and so His Excellency John Dramani Mahama said, miracles now see within these 5 months, and see the good news ever later in the year, and only year change. And then dollar, I could say, today dollar is 10 cedis. Let's give it that, and 9 point something, but let's see 10 cedis. Again, you see here will be it may move dollar from 17 cedis, from 14 cedis to a net 10 cedis. One, the has said discipline. You have to be disciplined. First, now a ministers no, 120. Now each minister be you're hanging down and that's Accra, Emano, a full 4-bedroom house, a whole house, Emano, Yamano, 1 V8, over 2 million Ghana cedis. Yes, Amano, small car, saloon car, and also, like I say, almost 1 million Ghana cedis. Okaboma 3, on over to the driver, over to a policeman or Shano, over to the gardener, over all these things, no, Bakubaku 16 yatiso. So this thing alone is Sikapudu. It is almost $1 air for and yet miracle biao a buy papa about this share papa abba.
So 2017, let me read this.
Okay.
One inflation decline here. So there was a headline inflation, which measures overall price changes, declined to 11.8% as at 2017, down from 15.4% in the previous year. Now, so the decrease reflected reduced inflationary pressure and a relative stability in the exchange rates. One, there was a cedi appreciation. So,
how much was it? Please, let's go.
Hold on.
The cedi. No, relax.
So what are you talking about?
We are talking about finance here. We are talking about economy. Relax, Nyabotre. Nyabotre.
Senior.
Nyabotre.
Me say Nyabotre. Me moderate show. Why? So price reduction in various sectors.
Yes.
Fuel price. The Chamber of Petroleum Consumers, that is COPEC, announced a significant reduction in fuel prices, particularly diesel, due to the consistent decline in the petroleum product prices over the recent pricing window. Supermarkets and shopping outlets. Some major shopping outlets and supermarkets started reducing prices of products due to the cedi appreciation. Then you come to direct importers. They also agreed to reduce wholesale prices to retailers once older stock were cleared to allow prices to fully reflect in the current rates. And so, in the overall, the impact of the exchange rate, The stability and appreciation of the cedi played a crucial role in the price reduction, as it's made imported goods and services cheaper. Overall, 2017 witnessed a period of price reduction in Ghana, largely attributed to a decline in inflation pressure, a more stable exchange rate, and efforts of importers and business to pass on benefits of a stronger cedi to consumers. So this is what I have for you.
So, Pacho, I want to ask you a simple question. In 2017, how much was $1 to cedi?
I would confirm
so
to you.
So please confirm to me.
Yes.
That's the first question. Then we'll go on. And yet there will be a throw. Because whatever someone writes, the person have a reason for writing it.
Is it 2017? Which month are you talking about?
You didn't tell me the month of what you just wrote. You read to us.
Okay, so
give me the 2017.
All right, my memo 2017.
Yeah, exchange rate.
Exchange rates. Okay, so 2017 exchange rates in Ghana. Why?
No, I just want you to confirm
Okay.
because one, me, I know for sure, say everything that is happening currently right now, no. For the past years, no, we've never experienced such thing before. Because a policy be obidiaba. Any anamotua odiaba no, and no nama ye happy. No, transport drivers, transport almost like drivers no. Market women or mobile who say importers, guta, obia are joining movie because it has been
so in 2017. Now the dollar to cedi was 4.4. 2018 and a core 4.8. I am not much interested in 2018 because I made specific.
2017. Okay,
2017.
Okay.
In the 2017, that dollar to cedi now 4.4.
And when you say dollar to cedi in 2016.
We are not concentrating on 2016.
No, maybe. I'm just giving you something. No.
Yeah, specifics. You mentioned relax, and I gave you everything.
Relax.
Okay.
In 2016, dollar to cedi was 3.8. 3.8.
Yes.
Now, you are telling me in 2017, things became better. Once dollar to cedi was 4.
No,
I'm giving you.
No, who choose your words? Choose carefully.
I'm not choosing your words.
Man, said never became better. I said there was a reduction.
If there was a reduction, it means things are becoming better.
Exactly the point, and I've given you. You did evidence.
Yes. Exactly. So I'm giving you something.
So don't go back to 2016.
Okay, relax.
Let's take it to 2017.
Relax. No, there's a reason for using that. I'm coming.
Of course.
If I'm coming, we enye yem yare ni yare nti mo anhwe yare no yare ne say 2016 dollar no 3.8 and 2017 I was here reduce niema no dollar no 4.4
yeah
and I reduce niema no 2014 dollar no 14.9 and now I can say dollar no 10. Tell me which economy is far better for you to have access to reduction of goods. We are here. When 2017 end of the year, things became worse.
Yeah.
What I say. So you don't pick one out of it and say it is done. No. We all said, okay, I said that time we were telling some people that economy no. And home for no and omunya and then that same people say one particular policy ama cedi to dollar no yes, and then I make sure say what's your bar 8 months, 1 year no 8 months, no be about 5 months, no entire egu ho a say sao if 8 months and no I so like how it doesn't make sense. It doesn't tell you you have to so not the same person no na oye digital man one kind economy was lectures or in a digital lecture or free power now call factory research no as was a financial aspect. We are not ready for all those things.
All right.
Ghanaians appreciate His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ghanaians appreciate Atu Forsen. Ghanaians appreciate Sami Jemfi. Ghanaians appreciate all the team that are working hard for us to have all these things that we are having. And we like it and we are happy. After now, you can't transport fares in the manual. I say, it's drivers now say. eya krokro omu ni gidie was a hubida eno na o kase 2017 e ba ya yesi yente so a omu mpese on beto so no because omu hubida and ade wo hubida no usuro but this is a time that they should understand say wait enye 9-day wonder.
Okay,
it is happening and it is doing. Why? Because sheye bia aban bi aye one monetary policy. I'm coming. What we have done. I'm coming. What we have done to appreciate this particular thing. Hey, don't let anybody deceive you. Say US China war and I'm see no abenya one. Na say any krom ha and Russia Ukraine war there. E man see no cost. Now US and China they almost kon there are above form. How who should tell you this? Look, the monetary policy is solid. The fiscal discipline is solid. Foreign exchange inflows eba Ghana no first. Now gold PMMC for mutual it take 6 months 3 months and sana aba bisa LOC obi or use or LOC dia in there and then ya ton ya and then eba. That is why every time you change on your phone you check and you see say dollar above from a discipline and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama e dia to name man for mu and everybody is aware that look this time around the youth are ready because they are bringing different things on board. And this is the time that everybody has to come together and make sure that His Excellency succeed very well. Because in Sussex, it's Sussex. No, Elijah will chrome.
That's it. Now the one that carries a name in condition that Elijah will chrome. I remember Joshua Kwame Fuga. Enche Okwakoye manager ewo Water Lake. What's I am happy for him. I mean, I better not tell you.
The Akwati as we did. They are my view.
Water Lake Transport Limited. Is it limited or corporation?
I mean, Libya.
That better not tell you.
Baby, my menchiao. My menchiao na me ankasa de me pese me bo abaso
that's it
o bo ma Ghana man e wi ase de yes wo ka no kra ya ne empe wa asem but at the long run no enkofo ba bu se sa wa asem na wo ka no ena na ye no kra enti pese me hye wo kran se bibia wo ye bia no koso ye den eye na Ghana will reward you one day.
Thank you.
Na Ghana esika semon komo na
maybe sasa da be na be start adwuma e wo Water Lake ho. Are you not proud to say Mahama o Dibrana?
Oh my TV bisa but me not sure of it. Into the my yanko the main
topic. Okay.
Ghana o man bia ni munyam eye ha obetuto eye esika sem. Enti Yebekai, the former vice president, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. O ka sem bi sa sem na me ne ya adwen pa. Enne kram sa ne ya adwen.
Asem ya.
O se fundamentals no e weaker. O si exchange rate no
will expose you. Yeah.
Enti ne say if we begin to get the fundamentals right, ube hu ne nsunsu anso e wo exchange rate.
Yeah, sure.
And the NBC I say then as Excellency John Dramani Mahama enne ama sidi na ho oden na gina brane a peja ende Kumasi businessmen phone na e bi frame se fuga enne me pese me GNDC card Beye na otwi mienu ni Kumasi businessmen titiri mintimi mbo modi wo fidie so fuga me pe card aba papa aba because they are importers.
Sure.
Enti eden jise na Excellency John Dramani Mahama edigu akwa mi nua sakra kasa no o kan sem ba ko o say fiscal policy and a monetary policy me the monetary policy ni kra de ya na nhye danye but fiscal policy no the discipline wonim so man panyi jo mama ba first pa no anka president bi aba one picture na mfuni na ebobo bi offices okay who's the first pa na the ma contract
yeah
John Mama si mean mo be a contract offices na mo ankasa omundi disika na mo koye.
And I think so a range say shouldn't exceed
a certain range.
Yeah.
This is one of the fiscal policies. It's a policy. It's a presidential statement. And to be bisa say and then na John Mama ya na Mahmoud Bawumia say you should mention once one policy. Sometimes I am very disappointed in me bra penny Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. I'm also aspiring to be an economist. I'm a student of economics and finance. I'm a Jumo bank for so many years.
Yeah.
And sometimes near Bessie a show now you assume, but who be making such statements? I na ma sebi. Fiena you assume na quite say was he Jackra ni assume ni papufro. Policy statement as Excellency John Dramani making. Etosumi or buy your treasury bills. Treasury bills. Or buy an better treasury bills. So what treasury bills rate so what you say? As a Chinese said, the cost of funds. Interest I say a buying a chiama wa would do sika wa to no. That's why then. That's why bafo. And jama a buying burden on government inside there. A bafo. And this is another policy. Now me dey me film. Your TT rate needs to be between 8 to 9%. You know. Now Ghana force this there.
Exactly.
First, man, weekly near about 6 billion. In the weekly, it means about 21 billion Ghana cedis. I see there be, and yet 21 billion Ghana cedis near pay 6 billion Ghana cedis. Because we want the money to circulate in the economy. In the same moment when you now seed now what they are then, until we are seeing it in the exchange rate. They be one say all of a sudden, and then CD from 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 to see a couple senior digits.
Sure.
And now one. And then one they see Russia Ukraine one in TV for now they say me say Yankasa Ghana for your boy a home deno. No bit na baby say a US and then China tariff war no. Look, in economics, you have to be endogenous or internal economic theory. Sanyamano, and she say, "Oh, mine one kasankasa de go as a country, no, and the Buama wo economy a day. Grow, and you see it in the indicators."
These are fundamentals are strong.
Fundamentals is very good because we share statement by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama make it. We share how they be all say, "I am truthful to my words," or say, "I am slave to my words." Omanpeni John Mahama nse mo kainan in the ministerial positions. And nanado timer akabanam this is now a creative portfolio there am I and the NDC for no my year juma or musu appointment because it's essentially John Dramani Mahama is putting the country Ghana forward. James said Jamaica what you say now the minimum nya say mo say exchange rate is not reflecting in price of goods and services.
No, but that is what is ongoing.
No, what's even your sacra in the matter was a power. They also what demonstrated say we are seeing it in some price and goods.
I'm happy you are saying some. And that is what I also say.
Gradual.
A gradual process.
Okay.
And it's a share in the national debt because Ghana most our foreign debt it is in USD.
Sure,
yeah.
A foreign denominated. And Excellency John Dramani Mahama CEO. Or see because of the CD appreciation against the dollar, no. You count one, you access about 150 billion Ghana cedis.
Yeah, and it is true. Yes.
Just because a Ghana no CD now
yes.
And the energy sector even debt now. I also so many now. Even by that, no, I wish say you could have even mentioned specifically the portion now, boy was energy sector debt. No. So what you say? It reflects in our pockets. Now we say, now me call me see me kwa go to me compare survey to na TV biata. TV no na e be 15,000 and then about 9,000 because of just exchange rate. What did they make and say? So we are seeing the reflection in the price and goods and services. However, your driver for now almost so omuye you know omo person beti eye omo fair no so no. We should let them understand say the cedi has appreciated against the dollar to about 26% from January till date. 26%.
Okay.
And this is mo fair so by 15%. Mu say ebetimi aboa mo. Yenka say cedi now appreciated against the dollar by 26%. Change na money 26%. And when I'm paying for any abayatna say, how much I say, won't so by 15%.
All right.
And I can tell you, say we have other drivers or more.
Yeah, sure.
Ashanti region, some of the stations are doing it.
Okay.
What did they make? And I say, we should commend the leadership of this country. We should commend the finance minister. In fact, JB Midemanusi no. Ohwe anwanwade a gold board no e dey ba system mu a JB. Wonse nyankopon de on na di nyansa manipa o. E na odi bu o man o.
Yeah.
MP before buy no. Yenko senchikra na mo si o una also unim economy. I didn't say ye kone dey adwe ma. They made all those statements.
Yeah.
By this year see there be nyansa ni ba ku foti. Nti enum ni na motena se JB beka wadwe obi oton brode beka na adwe obi oton banche beka na adwe fiteni beka na adwe ne e di achichire o man no. Enne gold board JB nipa bi otena say SSC John man mama tena say omodi adwin sa gold board we buy no yankopon to ne nkwa na mu saa because it is coming see the ebeba to buy 4.3 billion. I'm telling you.
All right.
Because we share and she say we are monopolizing the export of small skills go from the small skills sector now. I can tell you on authority say there will be no pressure on our Ghana cities. Very well, but that's it. Bufra Shanti Reggie there, Mami starting through Honomo. Your governor, and as you see, I actually know. My governor. You're Shanti Reggie governor. My governor only few. You see, are you for Mantamno? EOCO, for Mantamno, but at the hospital, that's what the lawyer said. JB, me debia than me say about the botechino. And one need the boba. Former President Ron because I buy the boat in the whole. The whole trail. So what did they make and I say? And then to my casa. Yen we are preaching reset. Reset means they say with the bonia. And my running a day. Any juma. Former Chief Justice I suspended. Or say the law is the law. And now casa. And today na yeah and family pancho. Mekai Ashanti Regional Deputy Coordinator Tabsoba. Osi wo di fie na no kwa tawo ese ni na fie. Yeah. Owa na ye beka tin se nkofo bi hwe no. Ye chini ne di ayi ye fe ne se sack e hye nti no boto omudi ni shake kam hwi tu nkran ase. Osi odu nkran na wadwo so egu no. We dey affect Tabsoba na bisa. You don't mean it. Ashanti Regional Chairman, if fear will see our Awomasu Jajo, MP before Kobubu, a feeling now, a treasure to what do you make? No. Yeah. Now, I'm out to be a young boo view. Young she will jump a baby and watch as issue. But some just on your gun and Ibumana. Maybe we are Ghanani, Nana question on your Ghanani. Munyabu Trasamba and for no more Pamuko for free, no Munya Ghana for. Omubu financial sector, Emma bankers, a bit to send me a Lucy a jobs, no. Now you're Ghana for Anna. When I'm saying what the Yama appointment be a Unye minister, Unye deputy minister, Unye your friend say CEO, Unye board member, Tino, in the 2 ye. You see the logic? Who on the regional communication team members as well, or also repeating the same thing. Now, JB, to Odi Bonia. Emmanuel Mesomu. Obia Mom ran through. Nobody. Do you have to be appointed by the president before the law can keep a hold on you? You see this logic? And the EOCO be a political witch hunt. Nemo, Ushesika or G, you see the Zemana to Abana Yabakona. Almost about 50 million Ghana cedis. Okay, so let me read this. I mean, can we quick one? Hallmark Engineering Service Limited. Where they are? Okay, I want to meet. So, where a letter free cocoa board dated on 12 November 2020. They addressed it to Hallmark Engineer, the managing director, Hallmark Engineering, Hallmark Civil Engineering Limited. Yeah. Also, there's rehabilitation and upgrading, reconstruction of roads in cocoa growing areas. Construction of Dadieso Akontomra Road, that is 4 to 26 kilometers. Awaso any assignment so Bebieni in the Western North region. Award notification letter. We are pleased to inform you that Ghana Cocoa Board has approved the award of contracts for the construction of Dadieso Akontomra Road. Awaso assignment so Bebieni
in the Western North region in your country. Terms of the contract as follows. Contract price $45,199,526.96. That is approximately $45 million US. Yeah. Contract period 24 calendar months. That is in So the letter was given to him on 2020. So approximately like 2023 and 2022. Nanka much very cocoa grain areas no. So let's find out as to whether say no say Hallmark Civil Engineering and so the other documents are actual payments of such amount of money. So the director details. The first name Bernard and Chibosiako. Second Doris Kweku, ono director. And your secretary details Constance Wiafe, our secretary. And auditor so in effect, that is what is going on. So maybe cocoa growing areas $45 million. Wontumi mona moya amanyofo.
Na minim semi brother kabat.
No, okay. On that. And these are some of the evidences actually say Impokrano Ejuma the former Ashanti Regional Chairman, the current Ashanti Regional Chairman for the MPP.
Yes.
And yes, so chairman, we register companies bebre, unkwa we mining, unkwa rules, unkwa prepare go temuye nyoma bebre. We di dance say, Ejuma pokre demand Impokrano. Wanye ne waji unska. JB eto sumienu, akonta mining. Obeka Professor Frimpong wants a reporting. That damning reporter, a ball akonta mining, didn't say he was engaging in illegal mining.
Yes.
At that time, the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources, Samuel Jinapo, Ebeka said akonta mining was engaging in illegal mining. That alone should put this guy behind bars. What did I mention? I say, who ye Jumana was saying so. Ye mofra mbenu nsuo no mu numu so no mo yare ye ma me no mo anyin sei na wo ntu musika wo be penti e wo say ye ma me no ne nwan mo mu wu ana wo wi ana wa ba betena Metro TV na wo yi gold ase didi yatem masa fomenti woda o se wo hwe me na no pe ya me ka kira wo se wo suso wunya bebi gina. Don't be flaunting yourself and then be disrespecting others. Because at the end of the day, there will be a day of reckoning and accountability. And then to Chama Wontumi no. Kasetia former President John Dramani Mahama, the current President of the Republic of Ghana. So no kwani so Bakumasia, the national security, EG approval if you Chama Wontumi and sana His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Abesi na Kumasi. Sansimu na yeka. And the party for baby na abandon no. The national executives are there, crocodile the John. They have to show face. Omoku mupa, the 1% Chama Wontumi ko jail. Nanabi mo money na mo kase ni nanabi so enche bia ne de no so beba. Nanabi enche bia ne de beba. Sir. National service scandal. Wom din.
National service.
I'm telling you.
81 million, 81,000.
Masa, shemu din. Enche bia de oye ni na no. Eye friend say panic. And all this I didn't.
Oh, sir.
And here, John Dramani Mahama said it is ready to fight corruption. To make sure that he will start from his own people. Sure. Sabi Jefia this year, they won't go for Copa John Mama Cho. Your mama one progo. What you say? And go for Copa John Mama Cho. Sabi Jefia be a public apology. What did they make an say? And Nupokrana and when you funzobia. Obi ayebi just say the pabonfo bi na omo share that video ekosi wo ye na ayebi ye bi me free am ekwa say me $1,000
that's it we that's $5 but we camera bia no be capture
your mama say this year na pese
we camera bia no be capture
no enya omode you dey be ska CBs.
But emergency that's it. Compre there. Now the way we na so go be here na bet.
Edi chama Wontumi onya abotre ye de mra na ye de
Or the hospital.
Dr. Makwe ni so man free medical service. Eti doctor yes yo bisa baby on na etu plane na go hwe no. Na ehwe how ye na ebetimi abo ma o ma. Eyo man nchichire ne ye. Pese e ko so ne se bia na nkofo ma bokro no under MPP government no. JB munye hu hwe munya nte ba go.
Oh really?
Na edubu ayi nipe yi ono nko ade kwa hwe nipa ba ko timi ko to real estate houses.
Oniska also the ekura famina. Okoto na ntwesre de kwahye free man na gakura be se da afa. Nipa nye de sika no akoto de da 27 na. O ka ho asem. Oniska do asate kasa kasa.
27.
Na de.
Okonya no.
Pete yo ba bia kokko. Sika yira.
Enuntina mra no ema ho kwan se wo ye public servant na so wunya sika. Emra ne ma ho kwan se be bisa so wusika no nya no wen.
Yeah.
The law allows us to ask you that question.
But so sika yira.
What you ask? Me sika yira. And then show depreciation of the Ghana cedis na ne yetwa indirectly no. Na E11 ne yetwa. Na yi my bet ne yetwa no. Ne sika yira ni ntina ne ye omode afa taxes so ne yetwa no. And to one as you will pay indirectly through your tax. Don't you make an say? And JB, Chama Wontumi sense me ekoso no. Let us all be careful. Lessons. Say aban and as a political party kwa wum. And me no ka say no bia na benya appointment o. But deal say bi mbetimi aye no. E bi kwa na echen minister bi deal oye dey. Oye. But we yes anyumani na no kai say you are not going to flaunt the rules and regulations of this country because we want to build a Ghana. He says, John Dramani Makasem is opeso or living legacy. Nema or no nema. Be proud of in future. Say, papa be a president. No, or ye say in since. Me no because Nanado nema be nebet me sorry in the future. So Baba vice president. Me say Nanado. Ghana has say Nanado Bush ni be na ne Baba nebet me aba be Gina TV. So na so Baba just say opeso be president. What did they make an say? But Rollins say mabet me aba be Gina. A friend is saying John Dramani mama mabet me aba be Gina. Atamus mabet me aba be Gina. Former President Kufuor ma beti aba begina bananado Wontumi
Sakra
was saying
let's make cry empini
ma minti o na maybe akeka akwa
so Wontumi asem no ho Monday no na your friend too say friend no kasa and I'm shocked say or say on G aban appointment bia enti we ain't me bibia but obeti na G aban contract.
Does it mean say indirectly on more time CEOs any ministers any more government appointees no yen kwachi omo ana ye hwehwe omo se mu ana
say I no person chew he has given you a lead way and he say ora ba mo bia nkasa because your candidate say operation recover all loot and it will happen a campaign promise and the Ghana for
I hope
yeah Ghana for promise be okay memo documents be
yeah I remember
okay say documents
yeah I have it
article 43 all documents eba it will happen now and ye Ghana for sika ese ekoji ade back that is what we want to do now akuta mining and what some credit mean can now see there is a citizen called and an organization called Citizen I Ghana.
Okay.
Now, a MPP ni and the head of Citizen I Ghana.
Hey, friend, sir.
Your fellow, your fellow Alex Kweku Tete, President and founder, CETEC, Protocol Officer, Waduk, the number of BBA, no letter, Echo, Office of the President. And now, also copy Ghana Export and Import Bank, which is Exim Bank. When you say, as I now, Exim Bank, I say, Wontumi. Okoje omo $12 million one, and now Osakoje $8 million all in pretense of a farm, agricultural investment, and nothing was being done for the past years. No, Exim no. Oh, tie sika okoje na nya hu dua no dua yin. Sa dua no dua yin na betime dua bi. 1 acre dua de yin na betime aye. Okoje $12 million. Now they are called 1 acre. $12 million. Owie na Osakoje $8 million. Now him Deputy CEO of Exim Bank, you have Paul Adumochi, and Paul Adumochi on the year and Deputy CEO for Exim Bank. And nobody says, yes, as at that time.
Oh, I see.
And somebody says kind of man, money $20 million.
By that time, where was Lawrence Adjensam, the CEO?
Oh, send it. Washa. Now, some CITEC phone, which is the Citizen Eye Ghana phone, the evidence, EOCO, of and out of the evidence, let me tell you now. One, a G-Wagon Brabus, 2017 model. According to them, clear the port without paying duty.
Oh, sir.
Mercedes Maybach 2017 or clear the port without paying duty. BMW 7 Series 2016 model or clear the port without paying duty.
Tax evasion.
Jaguar SUV 2018 model or clear without paying duty. Maserati 4x4 2018 model or clear without paying duty. Cadillac Escalade 2020 model or clear without paying duty. Benz GLE 2017 model without duty. Ferrari 2016 model without duty. Bentley 2018 without duty. Range Rover 2016 without duty. This is evidence of Citizen Eye Ghana Edekoma EOCO for. So after say EOCO actually another one say about one have go for Friday grandma. Because the moment he leave EOCO, another one will be picked. This is where they have taken it to. Until only about say, Ghana has hospital or Ghana have a brain. You shouldn't worry. Maybe one of these days, Cries a creative source or hospitals. So that because we have seen that this be our moyare. That's it. Now, let's also kind hallmark civil engineering.
Yeah.
On the 8th January, Abana is your boss, which is the chief of staff. Julius Jobade, and friends say clear order by say no payment should be made. On the 8th January, one Mr. Emmanuel Ray Ankra, which is deputy CEO or deputy CEO of Okobot, Wontumi, 90 euro, which is let's put it in Ghana cedis, 50.87 million Ghana cedis. And
almost like 51 million Ghana.
That very day, Okoyi 11 million cash and on counter. And that on 39 million Ghana cedis. No, the year or they to buy bond, 1 year bond with the government. And we our insurance company, we found a Paradise Insurance Company. So we know so investigation owners of the hallmark civil engineering. May say another name of a company. It is called Paradise Insurance Company. Go and check who is
Paradise
the owner.
Insurance.
Yes.
I want to be the registered company.
Go and check who is the owner. So now somebody there say you see baku ye yin baku say first one occur Monday no and ye bail no two sureties. And occur Tuesday or buy no and yes actually no and or the surety be say don't worry actually that's how we say every single case against him will be unraveled. Look, yenti krom ha ye kwadwofo sa Mercedes Benz ni G-Wagon ni BMW yenti tobi o ya ketua ni ye dwuma ye no enso enye so mo nyansa chen ye dabi nti ye ni mbre omo but adeni say me so G-Wagon nti me mpre me ho nkoto enfa invade taxes me no ye kotua port taxes or porter only my here omogie don't use yourself as a chairman now we invade tax me enye me na make I'll forward the letter to you Citizen Eye Ghana or ye MPP ni mapa and the evidence no abrain and it is being investigated into onya botre now almost say illegal mining activity by Akonta mining and no ye nim na say ye ko hu say minister eko hoko wefti e na ma focus ya na minister esu our Lord Jesus Christ wept. So if a Ghanaian minister call site of Akonta mine, you who the you must say you ni asase da na osun and let say odo a wo ma Ghana no ehun sun enu wo sun.
Me da say Sakra Babe na wase yetama so
enye eyi last one ho Chama Wontumi. Chama Wontumi
finally, just 1 minute. Maybe just 1 minute. Just wrap up. Unfortunately.
Oh God.
Manager.
Yeah, politicians are Udi Bonia. person will hide behind the political party cover. No. This should be the end of it. And conform Moody a year ura a year to be Wontumi in the name of politics. No. Omunjai. Where evidence is way now on the ama. Now what does you depapoate in the name say or your MPP near? Then what kind of country are we trying to build?
All right.
Now, maybe we now, Mr. Paying for and then Omuno power. Party members, grassroots, Munchaya, Omunjoma Wa too. Now, first say also no, they tell be uncle, and they say, one shall be a into Unquaudi, Mr. Sanity, Obiani, Mr. Let us watch the grassroots. They are the oldest. Wilderness air campaign. We were somewhere else. Please and please let us make sure the grassroots enjoy what we have in 4 years. And then just but let the grassroots also appreciate the reason why we are in power for 4 years.
But I say, Dide Abdullahi Sakara, a member of the NDC communication team, and of course Joshua Kwame Fuga, a member of the NDC communication team, and also Afina Yamano Dibre manager Water Lake Transport Limited. Congratulations. Who did the announce me? It's Ojame. It's also Jam the Enfanisa. It's my name home ra. Mekopa. Ebe finalize all the conversation.
O JB ne penifon temu no esi yehu akokɔbo yehu emobo se eye papa enye papa eye nokre ukodwemu a na ofile sididi de indeed aba form amaye nanso ade ba akwa wo se nya ye hwe ne ye hye nso ye se sidini ba form na se ya mfili ewe ye botomu a ene ya na ema omanfo hu aban no so mfaso na anokra na obi ka se transport can say organizations no say unions no JB say omuntumi ente so emfa magana for na yenso ye mfili sa impact na ene aban nan kasa emfa ne basis emegum because aban de ba na so wote so na menu mie ne yefura ebe force ama oh
ayalolo basis ni na say
oh try be amachi me ba me hu bi o
metro masses the bus no
and this week say me share be amachi from Popo say
the number of cases are more cry by
now
o share the number of cases are you operational this time around now more than 90% and I say
and now kasa we o kwasiesie nso I kai da one the quarter of fra better enti e was say ni manimu ye aban no ohwe na otimi hihye wa nyina na crofo enjoy because nneema bo no edaso gina ba bi egina car hwenti ade eyifo drivers ifo so mo teso enye because spare parts ebo nko form just say akoye nsem bebre nti say ye kan say na say ye de akokọ be TV so na ye ka say akokọ bo e say me be bia me tom akokọ no yes ana
what wrong kind of cinema market do ko to bi wo
o wi na me ne come to one mama location send them mama
cinema market
next week the 118 tomatoes na beba enti ensem bebre I was JB ye nya hwe na ye di ho nkomo and enro se da be na obi suggest say send ye sidi na ba form a ye nyina ye nya make us emu ayedu no ana ayedu no enka Lord friend in near my boy that JJ supposed for until home. Do you share as any share? They should force them to reduce the prices. Meanwhile, I know my insisted days. Or mama insisted days is within 60 days no. On better to my boss. Indeed, it was a time $1 and it was no.
Yeah.
I was here to massive ho. Time $1 and it was no. And I know my crack and Yamana Banti says 60 days no. Ejewie na sa so nema border so gine die gina dia ene ne ebo ma ye
fro kunu no mre se o aba
Osby frene
a contact captain yeah da bre na ja by benediction
yeah ja o wasro to be no ya hadwen
ade
na no okodi ye kire manhia edusi e frene o se me yare and then so yare esa na man crofo twetwe no social media no so
what twetwe say
oh am a twetwe na do
nyame fa de krese jo kuma kodi de ho no a confirm no So already still that's what sister need to flashing. Oh. Anyway.
Enti
Yeba, yeko, ni diska. And the city is well, city is here the more day. First na ye hata no do.
Aboga fonso na esu.
Aboga fodo. Ebo Muhammad ya.
Aboga fodo su.
Baba steady watching. After forces. Yes, steady. All right, so wow number here. 0242 165. What the 2,000 Ghana cedis? What the 2,000 Ghana cedis? Inti yanko. Ladies and gentlemen, Mamima Shura Akwaba, General Captain. Smart Akwaba.
EOCO.
Who are betting? Who are betting?
And the date is 28.
And the 28.
May.
That's what May.
By June 28, dollar be 7 cedis.
Next month, you know. And the 1 month time.
1 month time. $100 be do so.
Omo batches. But 7
cedis.
Okay. And at the end of trading, now a 10 cedis. 45 pesos.
Okay, 44 more.
No, 45 pesos. At the end of trading.
Okay, that's a new.
Say, and then trading started 12 noon.
Okay.
And I 10 cedis 36.
Yeah, to force ya bro. Yeah, bro.
Oh, yeah,
10:36. And then Wednesday. Usually, so what's a dollar depreciation, CD appreciation graph now. Wednesdays and Casa dollar, CD in Shedda Yan Wardin Bebre in Wednesdays. Yes, midweek, you know. I am not stabilize it. Tisankantesa Krebi Ekobo 12, in Kebi Akobe 10:35. It's the ABI and the Sebeko from Krabeko just about between 1 to 3 pesos. It's a bit my 10:33.
Okay.
But if you are China Kono, ebe samba form.
Oh, I see.
If you are China Kono, ebe samba form. As I said, dollar no. By June, answer the bedroom October. When we be kwa di bro nye dwa no ebe kono esa to force to me $1 na mani dru be 5 cedis.
Hey, God, Joe.
Because dollar
ato oyo wa yo ye dollar ye di mesie. Ye di mesie.
Dollar why mo bodo no.
Onya da se wa ba dollar why mo bodo.
Memo bi anda down.
Se ma me fesi.
Memo bi anda down.
Se ma me fesi.
Hwe. So wo ni ma de cushion dollar ne sisi ya no. Ba me ase on na ye den.
So on the Lay Foundation.
Foundation me ya.
Oh, gold for oil.
Or the data cement and answer gas cement foundation. No. A foundation better now.
We have to know casament.
Okay. Number 1.
Water.
When my dear I save Ghana. By the way, yeah, Mr. Tiamimi.
I do the.
Yeah. What the $1 wa mendi. What the and go fadri hom so artificial be kosoro and be kosoro na be kosoro. Afia.
And am I canon so
and kosoro because when the Mahama here from 17.89 up to 10.35 no. Mahama te ye kana ye den so 27% already.
The same stage 150 billion.
I told you steady.
What I say, can I this is here?
America vozu. UK vozu.
Yeah, from yeah to Ghana to UK.
And as I said,
one na gra kakra.
Pound
so the Bible.
Pound cry mo edu che ba ko.
Buy pound.
Bra dollar.
Yeah, pound
yeah, dollar na.
Oh, the
euro yeah. 80 sesi I know. So what American our dollar fabric fee beji cedis go account. And a man be a tribunya ne dese be kosro sesia. Bevia say atokon se de okoya.
Yam permanent ko.
Wona kwa na
be fashion su yase.
Na my aye den.
Na 10.
Election na kra wentumi anje. Na wan win ewie. Na say kose ya kudu October na. Won be kwa kodi bronye dwa ne be kona. I can sit here and predict the dollar will do 7 cedis.
Okay. Yeah, be pound there. Yeah.
The dollar will do 7 now. It drew October. be 1 cedi 20 pesos bi and 1 cedi 50 pesos the be count until by October our mo be kono na say dollar cost ro na ko 8 cedis 50 pesos.
Okay, until you be pon
Monday you be yes
finally ewo unia na say odam yo
oda manager age yes afa ne yam sa orani sa
na no menhia for friend yes afa ne yam ena nran so afa ne yam
next time no omo te wo mbe ye omo ne ma ye jebi he me si omo tim mahama tirim wasempa me ye Ghana mampani a na ya say yakochi obi
be mia no
say waye bibi ena wo
be investigations keke
wo be bo se e wo ho se ye njan no ye chiten kam ho no you see I say I told them before that you say yeah comedians
yeah
they feel say country no
asa wudu no hwi ni betim dia chi ni bia na
I say yeah comedians bi jebi aha Wontumi mo ankasa mo gitum say ye mfa ne court na ye fa wo fie ya na ye do court
na so ko
and then before say Rambo style na nye me call court ye ma me bail ya sign bail na wie my sign bail on evidence in chief God in that one
evidence in chief
ya sign bail na ma me wie jebi me ho son ya de me land go say ya
oh thank you thank you opie ya
me obi a court na ma me bail na me kono
bail conditions 170 na wie
God will be a car no na me betre mo
a bright man e trika no
we
just so parking bi obe champion
na go fe kweta me muku a
wozage
asama national security ni ka kire me say bail na court ne de ma me no wo mo ntiase that time na akufo ado no e bosoma na say no ebia no nye nipa o president
no kwa America
and then before him say rule of law rule of mutiri so what now obi a court ama me bail national security need to be catch them say bail na court na de ma me no wo mo ntiase na Wontumi haka kire yayi obekọ remand wo de hwe
za
asa mu delay le ko si be Friday
asa de na omo ya na before anka say omo ntede omo ya na se enra
no ya mobo
he jebi Yama Ghana frontier says who police car siren is so let's support siren
yeah
sabe where you wine
yeah sure
because police car no insurance when we kun free
yeah
na police car e boss siren wo wadwen ye wo se wo ko defend Wontumi da kokko board sika na ye de man no na wo papa ka ho
Yami ado mo chine be to aso
on this note
my benediction here kwa
yapon
raba
yapon yambo a
I want to you